Go ahead.
My name's Charles. I'm 11 years old and I like sports and music.
My name is Christian, and I like.
How old are you?
I'm 10, and I like sports and music.
Hi, my name is Chosen. I'm 8 years old, and I like soccer and gym.
Hello, my name is Cayman. I'm 7 years old. I like guitars and sports.
Hi, my name is Chloe. I'm 7. My name is Chloe. I'm 7, and I like gymnastics.
Oh. Come on, Kaden. Take your hands off your face.
Kaden.
Okay. Come on.
My name is Jason.
My name is Kaden.
Say it, Caden.
Just say my name is Kaden and I'm 5 years old.
And I like dragons and islands.
Okay, well you missed your chance. There you go. Okay, everybody say happy Merry Christmas, Schneiderman.
Merry Christmas, Schneiderman.
More enthusiastic. Say it again.